Hello, champs. So, myself Vinita from Digital Dawn. Here we will see what is analytical paragraph and how to write analytical paragraph. Okay, so first of all, I must tell you that analytical paragraph, if you will read the word again, you will come to know the exact meaning. Analytical means to analyze, and paragraph, you know all the meaning paragraph. So first of all, you have to analyze something and then you have to write something on that particular thing in a paragraph. Okay. So an analytical paragraph is a kind of explanatory or descriptive writing which is composed on the base of a given chart, graph, data, outline, tables, etc. ओके सो इसमें आपको क्या करना रहेगा, आपको एक पैराग्राफ लिखना रहेगा जिसमें आपको एक्सप्लेन करना रहेगा, जो डिस्क्रिप्टिव में होगा, बोथ आर सेम. सो वो किसके ऊपर होगा, चार्ट के ऊपर, ग्राफ के ऊपर, डेटा के ऊपर, आउटलाइन के ऊपर या कोई टेबल के ऊपर. सो समवॉट इट विल लुक लाइक दिस. You will be having one question and then you will be having a graph or a picture on the same thing. Okay, so this will be kind of like this. I will show you the exact question how it will be. Now from CBSE, the CBSE has issued the curriculum, which is revised curriculum. Okay, so here in part B, in writing section, second number question which I have highlighted here, writing an analytical paragraph, word limit 100 to 120 words based on a given outline, data, chart, etc. These are the things they are going to ask here. So one question you have to write, two questions they will be giving, you have to write any one, and the question will be of 5 marks. In this 5 mark, what will be the marking scheme? I will be explaining in the last. So stay tuned till then. Now, points to remember. What are the main points which you have to keep in your mind? First of all, you have to describe the facts. आपको जो जो चीजें चार्ट, ग्राफ, डेटा जो भी है, जो भी दिया है उसमें जो जो चीजें, जो जो फैक्ट आपको दिख रहा है, you have to describe that. Okay. Then mention figures and equation, which is very important. You have to write the exact figure and quantities, whatever you can see in the graph. Then use same tense. If you are using past tense, continue in that tense itself. Don't mix up with past tense or present tense, anything like that. Okay. Then clear language. You should write everything in a very clear language, which should be like in a simple way. The examiner should also understand very quickly. Now the word limit, as I told you before, 100 to 120 words. Okay. Then, what is the writing format for the same? It is divided into 3 parts. Okay, now which are the 3 parts? We'll see here. First of all, it is the introduction. So, introduction should be in 1 or 2 lines. Maximum you can write in 3 lines. Okay. Now, how we are going to start writing the introduction paragraph or the analytical paragraph? So, for example, if the question is in chart, so you will write the chart given above describes, then you will continue writing. Now, because the question is on chart, we will write here chart. The chart suggests dash dash dash. Then line graph, instead of line graph, we will write here the chart shows. Then the given chart provides information about. The chart illustrates all those things. Okay, etc. You can write that. Now you are in 10th standard, so I hope you all can understand this simple thing. Now, body of the paragraph, which is very important, you are going to mention every minute details in this. Okay, so you have to write what is the graph exactly about. Use the relevant figures which I told you already. Okay, make comparison, explain trends and contrast, and you have to write, divide in sub paragraph. Okay, now why I am telling you to divide in sub paragraph? Because if you will break the body into sub paragraph, what will happen, it will be easier for examiner to understand. Okay, and if examiner can understand easily, you can get the marks easily. Okay, now point number 3, that is the third part, which is the last part of the writing session, conclusion. Okay, so when you are writing the conclusion paragraph, you have to give the overall summary or overall viewpoint of the graph. Okay, now there are some words or some phrases which you can use in the conclusion paragraph. Now which are they? Like overall, subsequently, in all, in a nutshell, for the given chart, in short, striking changes, including. These are some words which you can use when you are writing the conclusion paragraph. Okay, then this is a sample question which the CBSE have already uploaded in their site. The sample question paper from which I have taken this question to show you. The chart below displays about the number of digital devices purchased in Rishunagar across the years 2015 to 2019. So you have to write a analyzing paragraph on the given data. So this is the paragraph in the question, sorry, this is the chart in the question given. So the figures are mentioned here and the years are mentioned here. Smartphone and computers, the graph is bar graph. Okay, so you can study first of all in detail and then you can answer, you can write the paragraph. You have to first analyze this very deeply. Okay, now moving on to the marking scheme. I told you before that the question is going to be of 5 marks. Now where you can gain your marks and where you have to concentrate while writing, that I'll show you. So one question will be there, okay, which will be of 5 marks. So total 5 marks. Now 3 marks content it will be. What kind of content you are writing in it, the marks will be depending on that. Okay. Then 2 marks for expression. Now don't draw emojis and all for expression. Here expression means 1 mark is for the connecting ideas, logical progression, then relevance, that how you are combining everything in together and creating new ideas and style. Okay, and the other 1 mark is for your grammatical accuracy, like grammatical error. If you are having grammatical error, you will not get that 1 marks. And appropriate words, what kind of words you are using, also the spellings. Okay, so these are the marking scheme which you have to keep in your mind while writing the paper. Okay, so mercy, subscribe and share and also like it if you liked. All the best, champs.